Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'll be telling what are the best cases which are available for the Realme X2 Pro smartphone. So the reason why I'm doing this video because recently there are plenty of new users who bought the Realme X2 Pro after watching my videos in my channel. So definitely few of the users, they do have question that which case is the best for the Realme X2 Pro device. The phone is so expensive that you need to have very good protective or screen guard or best case to protect the phone so that you can use for the next 2 to 3 years or 4 years as well, definitely. So using the best case which actually protects the phone whenever you keep on the table in upside down, or it should also protect the camera's lens as well. So that's why I select a few cases right now. So all the links will be available in the description or in the comments also. So in the comments I'll be pinning this all the links to these cases and even the tamper glass or screen guard as well. So try to check links always in the comments below. So let's get started with the first case is that transparent case. As you can see friends, with the transparent case you don't need to buy at all. You will get one transparent case with the box overall, but still if you want to have the very good transparent with a little bit kind of protection, there is one case which is available right now, so which will actually protect all the four corners of the device and which also has the thirst plug as well. So this is one transparent case which I'll be suggesting to you. So definitely you can use the default transparent case without any problem, but this will give you extra protection for the four corners whenever you keep the phone upside down. So definitely you can check these links in the description as well. So next case is a normal soft art case. As you can see, this will give you the very good texture like feeling whenever you're holding the phone with the case. But one disadvantage with this case is that you need to be very careful in terms of selecting this case, because if the small sharp object, if it comes in contact with this kind of case, then definitely you will get all the stitching will be coming out easily. For example, this kind of any sharp objects when it comes in contact. So I usually won't recommend this kind of case unless you are really love using this type of case. And next is that flip cover case. So as you can see friends, it's a flip cover which you can use complete protection from the phone or from all directions, definitely. And even you can use this kind of stand as well whenever you're watching the videos, so which is another good advantage as well in terms of using this kind of case. As you can see friends, definitely if your parents or your cousins who you feel they cannot protect the phone properly, then definitely you can buy this flip cover for them. So usually I'll suggest this kind of using flip cover for my parents. Every time I used to buy definitely one flip cover for all their mobile phones, because it keeps the phone very much in good shape for a very long time. So this is a one type of flip cover which I would highly recommend. So next is that as you can see friends, is the ring stand case which has been used. So the ring stand case is very useful because you do get a very good grip whenever you want to hold the phone in single hand. As you can see friends, it's very good for using with a single hand usage. And not only that, you do get the kick stand as well as a stand, as you can see friends. So you can use as a stand mobile in the horizontal or vertical as well. In both ways you can use this kind of stand, and you can enjoy watching the videos in the stereo or loudspeaker effect which you get in the Realme X2 Pro. This is the most favorite case which has multiple uses with one case. It also protects the camera lens as well. So as you can see from camera lens, it also protects everything, and even when you place the phone upside down, it also protects the screen as well. So mostly I would highly recommend this case to last very good long time usage. This kind of a very good armored hybrid case, which is also very strong case, as you can see, which cannot be bended easily. So this is a one type of case which I would recommend. And there is another last is that there is the bumper case, as you can see friends, so which also gives the little bit kind of protection, same like this one but with a slim profile. So this case is little bit kind of odd and very thick, so you will feel little bit kind of bulky when you are using the device. But still, if you want to use the phone with the slim and very good odd protective case, then this is the best option, bumper case. So definitely friends, so try to check for all the links in description for all this kind of cases which are used in this video. This all the cases are from different mobile phones, but definitely they are same kind of cases which I showed you at the moment. Even there are some soft silicone cases as well, as you can see right now. So this cannot give you much protection for the phone, but definitely if you want to use this kind of multiple color cases, you can check the links for even that one as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, to subscribe to my channel. As always, do check the links and description for the Realme X2 Pro mobile phone. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.